Hello, in this video I'm going to show you Topolino Tesa T60. This is how the decoder comes to you. Pins are on the right side here, right side positioning, so later in this video I'm going to show you how exactly the procedure is done and why the position, whether it's left or right, matters. So, Tesa bias alloy T60, made in Spain. How you get the decoder? Okay, I forgot to show the key. This is it. This is how you get the tool, of course, in a plastic box. Sorry. This is the additional tension reset tool. Always we have the model here, so if you have a couple of the tools, you won't make a mistake. Reset tool here on the back, you insert it, you remove the cap, and inside this plastic box you will find additional spare pins, 8 spare pins, which will be can be quite handy. Never reset the tool without the reset cap, because you risk popping one out or more. Now, basic things. This button here helps you insert and extract the tool. Whenever you insert and whenever you extract, this is always to the top, like this, towards the blade. Whenever you reset and whenever you perform the opening procedure, this should always be down, otherwise you can damage the tool, and I can assure you, you won't open anything. So, of course, later you will see it. It's quite easy to reset. Remember, here this arrow and this arrow will show you and will help you not to get confused. So, button down, insert, from this point on you start resetting the tool. You push all the way in, this is how they should look like, independent sliding pins, which is quite helpful. No foil. Each of the pin will take the exact code out of the Tesa T60. We can even read the code with the help of those code lines here. After the opening, you can insert again the reset cap, and you simply measure the height here. So, very useful. Okay, in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you the actual opening. This is the lock. Tesa bias alloy T60, 6 pins. On the tool. Now the first thing to do, let's reset. Button down, arrow here, button down, insert inside the bigger hole. You can see the pins through it. Grab the reset tool, reset all pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how the pins should look like, fully aligned on the horizontal part. Now, since the pins are on the right side, this is how you will insert it. You cannot insert it here nor in the middle. You can only insert it here. Very smooth, nothing special, just on the left side. No, on the left side, just put it in. Here, the button goes up, otherwise you risk blocking the tool inside. So button up, I always hold it like this, and I insert. Now, next step, button down. From this point on, the actual pumping starts. Tension is here to help the decoder pick the lock faster. So once up, so I hold the tension up, right, tension down, right, up, down, and you hear small clicks. The tension is not great, medium tension. I can even do it with my one finger, so imagine the amount of tension I'm giving. The faster you make it, the faster you will open it, of course. I suggest you train a bit and you do it precisely as shown here. So from this point on, you keep the coat. This is not a foil, so you can easily extract. Just make sure you're like this, the button is pointing down, then close the button, and then you can extract it. The pins have the exact coat, so the moment I insert it again and I open it, I can turn it. Until the point I reset, I'll have the coat from this lock. Of course, non-destructive opening. And this is it. So again, insert, button up, insert, button down, and you start the pumping. Medium amount of tension, couple of seconds depending on the coat, but this should be the one. So tension, down or up, here to the right. You don't do it like this, as I said again, and I'll repeat it. This is not a foil, so Tesa does not need it. Tesa T60.